Some football news now. Reggae Boys head coach Steve McLaren is not ruling out the involvement of Italian-based Leon Bailey and England-based Kasey in the last two CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers, despite them not being named in the 26-man squad announced on Saturday for the encounters due to injury concerns. Both Leon Bailey and Kasey are struggling with recent injuries, which have made them doubtful for the two crucial World Cup qualifiers against Trinidad and Tobago as well as Curacao. Reggae Boys head coach Steve McLaren says that Bailey, who sustained a hamstring injury at training with his Italian side AS Roma last week, is eager to be a part of the squad despite the injury concern.
I've spoken to Leon, who's desperate to play some part in the next two games. And from the medical report that we've had, it could be touch and go whether he may be fit for the second game. So what I've said to Leon is that we will stay in touch. He will do his rehab in Rome. And if he's any near to fitness for the second game, we'll definitely fly him over and get him involved in the second game.
McLaren is also hopeful that midfielder Palmer, who picked up a knee injury in Jamaica's last World Cup qualifier against Bermuda in October, will still be able to join the squad.
Again, he's like Leon, is unbelievably disappointed to be injured. He has a chance for the second game, and again, we will leave it open until after the first game. Do the rehab at his club, and them two will report on Friday to see the progress that they've made.
And the Reggae Boys play away to Trinidad and Tobago on Thursday before hosting Curacao next week Tuesday, November 18 at the National Stadium. And Jamaica leads Group B with 9 points, one more than Curacao, while Trinidad and Tobago are third on 5 points. Only the group winner qualifies automatically for the 2026 FIFA World Cup, while the best second-placed team from the region will enter the Intercontinental Playoffs with another shot at getting to the FIFA showpiece.